the hell is that key for? It's a Briggs & Stratton key. C426. That's standard for like simplicity in Allis Chalmers. Oh, well, looky there. Just picked this one up here. This is a 67 Allis Chalmers B-10. It's the Bumblebee. This is what came after the Big 10. Work my way around here. Got the hood and snowblower shield in the truck. This was just running up until a couple years ago, and then the old man passed away, and the wife ended up getting in contact with a friend of mine who let me know about it. And he always took really good care of this thing, except until recently the family pushed it outside the barn, so it sat out for a little bit. But I'm undeterred. I bet we can get this little girl running today. Grill is in pretty good shape. A little bit up here gotta straighten out, nothing too crazy. Chrome, a little bit of surface rust that'll polish right up. Paint's oxidized a little bit, faded. Once again, nothing that I'm concerned about. We got a key that works. We can get her going. So let's grab a vice grip, see if we can get that gas cap off. And hopefully the gas tank ain't too rusted up, because I know for a fact I do not have a spare. Alright. Little spritz on there. Overall, this thing does look pretty darn clean. Make sure that bearing's nice and lubed. Let's work our way around again. You know what, let's do the easy thing. Let's just hop up on the trailer. See if we can get her revived and running on the trailer. Alrighty. Nowhere close. Alright. I'm getting there. Been a long morning so far. Nothing that was too far. Why'd you guys let me do that? Oh, this might be a problem. There we go. Man, she is stuck on there. Alright. Ooh, that is yeah, not good. A little bit of rust, not too terrible, but there's some gas left in there. Hey, what's that down there? That's a ratchet. Nifty. Alright. Well, I think first step is going to be we're going to put in a little bit of gas, shake her up a little bit. You can see some shiny steel in the sunlight. That's hard to see, but that should be all right. We'll see how pliable that hose is. Oh, that's still pretty good. What I like to do, I'll cheat a little bit. I'll just snip that right there, put an inline shut off. And then that way I don't have to worry about disconnecting all the other stuff. And then we'll pop the bottom of the carburetor down here. Just pop off the needle and make sure it's flushed through. Alright. I did that off camera. Put in some gas, shook it around, cut the line. It actually came out pretty clear. And did that off camera because, as I figured, the line is still pliable. It's not dry rotted, but it's dry enough where when you put that on, it didn't seal. So I just slapped the clamps on there. Now, before we go too crazy with it, let's even see if it's got oil in it. Doing all this one-handed is not the best thing. Hold on a second. There you go. You got a nice aerial view of the top of the motor. Yeah, deal with it. All right, so here we go. Let's make sure we got some oil in there, and we got oil. She's a little on the low side. Let's grab some, slap it in there. Never hurts to have good oil. Oh, that's gonna be the next project. This is a quick impromptu video. I got one more. I'm actually still in the process of editing. Look at this freaking disaster. There's one I'm in the process of editing. I did a head gasket on a Craftsman LT something or another. Oh, I'm falling. There we go. Nope, I'm falling again. There we go. Alright, so yeah, too much junk laying everywhere. Yeah, oil. I want to use the big ones up. Oh, see, shit's falling. Oh god, I'm alive. Alright. Hand got caught, sign moved, pinched, hurt. Okay, so here we go. It's been a long day. Here we go. Now, so I don't sit there and just spill oil everywhere. New belt. The snowblower shield. And there's a hood. I'm gonna grab this here funnel. Clean enough. Drop that on in there. Ta-da! I don't have to worry about making an even bigger mess, which I'm bound to do, because I am a klutz. Alright. About halfway on the dipstick. We'll do 6 to 8 ounces. Just enough fresh oil to make me feel like I'm doing something worthwhile here. Probably was too much. I'm actually right about where we need to be. Alright. Weather's getting colder. And hopefully all you guys are doing good. Taking care of yourselves, being careful. Because of all the COVID and other crap floating around and politics bullshit. It's getting a little irritating. And if I'm irritated, I'm sure some of you guys are. Alright, good enough. And I pulled that wrench out with the socket and ratchet that was stuck down in there. And it actually had a spark plug socket on it. Didn't see a spark plug down there. Ooh. I have a feeling he was changing it, dropped it, and just either lost it or simply didn't care. So, got the nice handy dandy die hard. Slap on the positive. Slap on the negative. We're good. We got power. We got juice. We got good airflow on one side, nothing on the other. A little bit of a mouse nest.